Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I'm here with a cute Tweet Hearts card. So this is a A2 card, top folding, have a shaker. So what I'm using is the Tweet Heart die set, and I cut it out, put it on the top, have the shaker recessed in the back, put the two cute little birds together, and these guys come together so easy. Here are the wings, and then there's the beaks for them. These eyes you pop out, and then you can cut them out of black cardstock and pop them back in. I layered it up. I did a little bit of Distress Oxide ink blending. Look at the shaky bits in the back. Oh, just love. All right, let me talk about which supplies I use, and I'm going to show you a slight overview of how to put together this shaker. Let's get started. So here you're seeing the Tweet Hearts die set. That's the bird cage and the two little birds. I could have put the hearts, but I wanted to really enjoy this Be My Valentine paper pack. That's the 6x6 paper pack. I am still loving these colors in here. I love the touches of light brown, darker browns, and just the whole colorway is really pretty with this paper pack. And this is one of the sheets out of that 6x6 paper pack. Also, the sentiments. I use Happy Anniversary, and that's from the Sweet Tweets stamp set. There isn't a coordinating die for this, so what I did, I just used my trimmer and cut a rectangle and then another like an outline and lined that up together to do Happy Anniversary. I wanted my sentiment to be not larger than the base of the bird cage, okay? Look at this. Oh, I love this super cute stamp set. And also I used for the framing of this card, the way it's framed is like your eyes go straight into here. At least my eyes do. This is the A2 frames die set. I used the largest one. This is a full A2 die, 4 1/4, 5 1/2, and it does give you this nice frame when you do cut it. I'm going to be showing you that in the example. Also, the bird cage itself. I used the Lumberyard paper pack. This is a 6x6 paper pack. And I had cut two colorways, so I already have another example. I had cut this one first. I put some adhesive sheets behind here, so see, it's like a sticker. Let me show you. Like, because of the delicate details on it. See? So I can just peel it and stick it. So I'm saving this one. But you see that delicate part? And if I wanted to change this colorway, I would just pop it in right back here again. And it could be like that too. Love this Lumberyard. Great colors available in here. 12 patterns, 4 of each design. Love. And then you get that second die to do the decorative detail. You aren't seeing the wood etching because of the pattern, but it is there. And I would do like that. And I could have done that colorway as well. In the shaker, in the back, I have this cream glitter cardstock. And then I just used one of my favorites, Mother of Pearl solid round confetti to kind of match back with that cream color glitter, and then some pink heart sprinkles because of Valentine's, okay? And nice shaky shake. Love. And I did a little red trim here using that frame die. So cute. You can stand it up like so. Love on 110-pound cardstock. Alrighty, let's take a look at how I did this. For this card, I'm not going to use pattern paper because I don't want to make a second one of this style. I want to save this other bird cage for something else. I'm thinking more of the dome shape. So that's why I'm not going to do it here. I'm showing you a light overview of how it's done. So you take out the largest frame die. I'm working with this scrap. It is what it is. I'm trimming it down a little bit. And I'm using my Platinum 6 machine to die cut. You can die cut on any. This is standard die cutting. So I'm putting it here on the cutting plates at an angle because if you put it on straight, it's too much force on the die and on your machine. So it's good practice just to put it in at a slight angle like so. Then put the top plate and run it through. All right. And you get two pieces with this frame die set. You get... That's the frame, and you can see it here. So in this color, I could have done that too. That's actually not bad. I could cover up the red if I wanted to. What do you guys think? And then this Let's pretend this is pattern paper, okay? So there's a frame. Just with the pressure of the machine, there is a little bend in my die. I don't know if you guys can see the bend. You can just gently bend your die back into place. I just gently do it. Don't do it with a ton of force and bend it the other way. Just gently straighten it out. Put my plates on back. I'm going to show you how I did this part. This is representative of that pattern paper, okay? Let me get the bird cage. And here now, I line it up, but I didn't go all the way up to the top. I kind of left just a hair of space right there. There's my little washi holder of tape. Now I have 3 rolls of yellow tape, and Kat does carry yellow tape, which I adore. I'm going to use purple tape. This is the original purple tape to hold down my die. I'm trying to finish up this roll. It's getting old. And sometimes with these type of things, if you don't use them, they start to lose their stick over time. So I decided I need to finish it up. So you're going to center it as best as you can, side to side. Center it there and over here. Let me hold it up. Let me make sure that I am centered. Pretty decent. No, it needs to go over just a hair, just a little bit. But I love yellow tape, especially when I'm doing die cutting and using hot foiling. Love, love, love. But I don't want to go all the way up with it. I want to leave just a hair space from that top edge. So don't go all the way up to the top edge with this die if you have this die set. But here's another way of using this die. I'm going to put one more piece of purple tape. And notice that I'm putting all the purple tape on the inside here. This purple tape has been known to tear paper. This piece I'm going to throw away. That's why I'm putting all the adhesive on the inside, not the outside. The outside bit would be like what is shown, like here on the card, okay? And I'm leaving the example here so you can see it. Turn it again at an angle. Cutting plate. I love how my plates are still flat. Love. And roll it on through. And that's it for the die cutting. Let me fold my machine up. So here is the die cut. So you see how I left that little space? So this will be the top piece for the card like so. Just like that. So you can see exactly what I did. I can use my two-in-one pokey tool and pop them out. I believe Kat does carry this in her store. Okay, here we go. There's the die. So I can save this for something else. Look at that. And there you go. Now what you would do is flip this over. Take a piece of acetate. Cut the acetate down in size to fit here. Like that. Like so. But after I put on the acetate like this, right? Then I put the foam around it. Sprinkle my bits. You can put foam all the way up to this edge and around the outside edge so you really get a good seal. Then take a piece of this glitter cardstock and cover all of it, including that top part. Make sure that you cover that. Then seal that up, flip it over, attach it to your card base. I have a card base like so. Then you attach it to the card base. And you make sure that you line it up with this. Now this will be lower. So what I also did, I used the same foam, because when you do cut this out with the foam, I did foam on this one, but I had this height and that height, and then there was still a differential. So I just cut some more of this in cardstock and then create the height to even it out. I think I got a little bit higher because of the glitter cardstock in the back. And this fits right in here. Pop it back in like that. You see? Alrighty, crafters, that's it. I just wanted to show you my cute little Valentine's card / happy anniversary with the amazing, because I just had to play with these little birds. The Tweet Heart set. And I love this set because you get the birds and you get this awesome bird cage that can be converted easily into a shaker. Love. And you get like bits popping out of it that you can use for another card, etc. So I still have this one ready to go. I also have this one that I can use. If I did this without the pattern, then it would have looked like that. See the options, right? Options in play. Alrighty, crafters, thanks so much for watching. Everything will be listed and linked below. This is part of Kat's latest release, the Valentine's 2. And she is an awesome release with awesome goodies. Alrighty, crafters, on to the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!